what's going down? Wanted to give you an update on this cancer thing and where I'm at with regards to my treatment. I am 1 day into radioactive iodine treatment. Well, what is that? Well, when you have thyroid cancer, one of the ways of treating it is post-surgery, they give you radioactive iodine. This works as a treatment because one of the functions of the thyroid is to control iodine in your system. So what they have you do is you go on a low iodine diet for 10 days prior to treatment, and during that process your body begins to realize that it needs iodine, so your brain sends a signal to your thyroid, even though in my case my thyroid is not there because it's been surgically removed, to go get iodine. So any cells left over in my body that are thyroid cells, be them good or bad, after this 10-day low iodine diet, will now be actively trying to find iodine. Thus, when they give you a radioactive iodine dose, those cells in my system that are actively trying to find iodine will latch on to this radioactive iodine, and in theory it will kill them. So if they're good cells, it will kill them. If they're cancerous cells, it will also kill them. So I'm a day into this thing, and I'd filmed some stuff and I wanted to show you that. So hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk to you soon. So I've got to empty my bladder before they can take my scan. Okay, it's okay to ask about my scan. This is where I'm hanging out. So now I have to wait to talk to the doctor about my image, and I think I have to go in that office right there. I can't get over how heavy that is.
I really don't know how much it weighs.
That thing weighs at least 15 pounds. That is amazing. So inside this thing is my pill. And it's so heavy, it's solid tungsten, well, plus a little space for the pill. But inside there is my pill. So it's not even solid.
No, it's in a vial. Similar to what you had the other day. It's a little capsule that's in a vial.
No, I'm just amazed at how heavy that thing is.
Yes.
Well,
It's not even solid.
After you take your pill, I'll empty it out and then you can see.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
You can't eat for, I'd say, 2 hours, okay?
Okay, so that's what that thing is. All right, awesome. Is it gonna make the noise? Make it make the noise. Oh, that's awesome. Yes, that's fabulous. That's me ringing. I am radioactive right now. Alright.
Yeah, you can take this all the way.
Holy Toledo. Yeah, you guys gotta get away from me.